Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your United Airlines employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your United Airlines employee account on your PC, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address flyingtogether.ual.com like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the login page of the United Airlines like this of your employee account. Now, in order to log into your United Airlines employee account, you'll be required to enter your UID or your username over here like this, and after that, enter your password over here like this. But if you have forgotten your password or need help with your password, you simply click on the password available over here, and then you'll be directed to a page where you can retrieve or reset your password depending upon what you want to do. With that being said, guys, after entering your user ID or your username and entering your password, simply click on login button available over here to log into your United Airlines employee account. And there, guys, this is how you log into your United Airlines employee account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.